Welcome to This Explainer. So whether you're relocating to the incredibly fast-growing city of Dhaka, traveling for business, or maybe planning an extended family stay, where you live pretty much dictates your entire experience. Today, we're going to walk through a complete step-by-step guide for 2026 on how to find the perfect furnished serviced apartment. We're talking about finding that sweet spot, a place that combines the cozy comforts of home with the kind of professional services that standard hotels honestly just can't match. I want you to just think about this question for a quick second. What actually makes an apartment feel like home? Because finding the right place is about so much more than just having a roof over your head. It's about that daily comfort. It's about having the flexibility to live life on your terms and having professional services backing you up so you can actually focus on your work or, just enjoy your family time without sweating the small stuff. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to build a 6-step hierarchy of needs for finding your ideal space. Prioritizing your safety first, beating Dhaka's heavy traffic, expecting complete furnishing, looking at how included services add true value, comparing total value over price, and finally, finding your perfect Dhaka home.
All right, starting right at the foundation with step 1, prioritize your safety first. This one is absolutely non-negotiable.
See, true safety isn't just slapping a lock on a door, it's about total peace of mind, right? You need to verify that they have 24/7 professional guards, active CCTV surveillance, controlled access entry, and modern fire safety systems with clear emergency exits. And here is a great little tip. Try to visit the property during both the day and the evening. Actually seeing the lighting and feeling the neighborhood vibe when the sun goes down tells you exactly how secure you're going to feel coming home late from a business dinner. And this brilliantly illustrates our entire evaluation checklist. It builds so logically. You start with foundational security to protect your family and belongings, then you shift to location to save your precious commuting time, move indoors for everyday comfort with quality furnishings, and finish up with the services that just make your life easier. Keep this exact framework in mind as we go. Moving right along to step 2, beat Dhaka's heavy traffic. Location is everything here. Look, if you know Dhaka, you know the traffic is literally legendary. Selecting your location is basically a strategic defense against spending half your life sitting in a car. You want to create a sort of oasis for yourself, living mere minutes from business districts, international schools, or hospitals. That drastically improves your quality of life. Being right near supermarkets, public transport, and parks gives you back hours, literally hours of valuable time every single week. Step 3 takes us inside. Expect complete, comfortable furnishing. The second you walk through that door, it should feel like home. No exhausting trips to the furniture store required. You want high-quality, comfortable beds, a proper sofa and dining setup to relax, and a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge and microwave ready to go. Add in an in-unit washing machine, reliable air conditioning, a TV, and of course, high-speed Wi-Fi. And you've got a space that's engineered for actually living, not just sleeping. But here's the thing. Even beautiful furniture loses its charm pretty fast if the property isn't maintained well. So, let's look at how you build your inspection flow. Actively check those bathrooms and kitchens for pristine cleanliness. Go ahead and turn on the air conditioners yourself, test the windows, and inspect the floors. And most importantly, ask management about their average maintenance response time. A professional management team is going to resolve your issues in hours, definitely not days. Okay, step 4. This is where included services add true value to your stay. This is where we get to layer in the fun stuff, the experiential perks. Having regular housekeeping and linen replacement means you aren't wasting your weekends scrubbing floors. Having maintenance support, ultra-fast internet, parking, and utility management all rolled into one neat package takes the administrative burden completely off your shoulders. But hey, before you sign anything, absolutely demand to know exactly which of these services are included in the baseline rent and what's going to cost you extra. Now, how do you know if those services are actually any good? Well, you check the reviews first. Online reviews offer the raw, unfiltered insights that perfectly staged photographs simply can't capture. You want to look specifically for comments about staff professionalism, how reliable the internet actually is during peak times, the noise levels, and maintenance quality. No property has perfect reviews, right? But consistent positive feedback is your green light. On the flip side, if multiple guests report the exact same issue repeatedly, like say the Wi-Fi always dropping during work hours, take that as a major red flag. Step 5, compare total value over price. Let's talk about the financial side of things. Now, what's really interesting here is the contrast. This is the most common trap people fall into. the illusion of cheap. The cheapest advertised apartment often hides a mountain of separate, out-of-pocket fees for utilities, internet, cleaning, maintenance, and security. By the time you add all that up, you're usually paying way more. A property offering true value might have a slightly higher upfront monthly rate, but it includes comprehensive services. You really want to focus on a complete, predictable living cost to avoid those stressful end-of-the-month surprises. Ultimately, value is deeply personal to you and your situation. If you're a business professional, your currency is reliable Wi-Fi, a quiet workspace, and being near corporate offices. If you're relocating with family, your priorities immediately shift to larger living areas, nearby schools, playgrounds, and hospitals. And for our long-term residents, robust kitchen facilities, laundry services, and extra storage become non-negotiable. Pinpoint your specific traveler type to guarantee a completely stress-free stay. Which brings us to the culmination of our list, Step 6. Find your perfect Dhaka home. I really want to highlight this quote from our source material because it just hits the nail on the head. The best apartment is not simply the one with the lowest price. It is the one that offers the right balance of safety, comfort, convenience, and value. Choosing the place to live should never, ever be rushed. Taking the time to evaluate this total balance provides immense peace of mind, improved productivity, and honestly, a genuinely better lifestyle during your time in Dhaka. And listen, if you are looking for that perfect balance, specifically a thoughtfully selected, professionally managed, fully furnished, serviced apartment in the highly desirable Bashantara RA area of Dhaka, you definitely don't have to do it alone. REIT Limited is a trusted partner ready to help you find the right place that fits your exact lifestyle. You can easily reach out to them directly by calling +880-1711-993-377 or just by visiting their website at hotels.com.bd to explore all your options. So are you ready to experience truly comfortable living in Dhaka? Armed with this checklist, you are now totally prepared to find an amazing place. But I want to leave you with one final, provocative question to consider before you sign your next lease. How much is your peace of mind and your personal free time actually worth to you in a month? Calculate that, and I guarantee you'll always choose the right apartment. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.